Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add glass effect to our video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and you can choose a video you want to add glass effect to. Here I'm just going to choose a video from my download folder. Okay, I'm going to choose for instance this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add the glass effect or glass break effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu and then select the effect, and then we're going to go to the glass. Okay, and here you'll be able to see the glass break effect. This is for the shutter, crack, and fracture, and then short, strip, grid, and ripple. And it's up to you guys. And for me, I'm just going to choose the short. Okay, and this is the final result. And you can increase the value right here. You can customize the value. Okay, let's try the shutter. Okay, it's cool as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back, and we can make the effect align with our video like this, and I'm going to play it to make sure. All right, this is the result guys. And then you'll be able to you'll be able to apply other effects because there are a lot of effects on InShot video editor. You can choose style, blur, celebrate, or mood, or emotion, or any effect that you want for your video. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add glass effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel.